Hi everyone. In this video lecture, we will solve a problem of topic development of solids. This is the problem. Draw the development of the object gives in figure. Here the orthographic view of the figure is already given instead of explaining the figure. So you can see we are having a triangle of height 120 and its base length is 5 120. 5 120 means yeah, it is very clear that it is a cone because the diameter is given. So the figure is nothing but it is a cone. Even though they are given the front view only, but you have to make it very clear that in the top view you can see a circle of diameter 120. So when you draw the orthographic view, you have to draw a circle of diameter 120 and a triangle of height 120. And also they have drilled a square hole which is in the shape of a square of size 50 at a distance of 40 mm from the base. That means the center of the square is at a distance of 40 mm from the base of the cone, and the square hole is horizontal and perpendicular to VP. It is very clear from the figure. Now let us see how to solve this problem. Even though they have given the orthographic view, you have to draw the orthographic view for the development. So you draw a circle of diameter 120, scale 1:2. So here it is mentioned as 560. It's not 560, it is 5 120. Keep it in mind because you already written the scale as scale 1:2, so it is 5 120. So draw a circle, and here I am dividing this circle into 12 pieces. Normally we divide into 8 pieces, but here we divide into 12 equal parts because in order to get the accurate shape, you have to divide a circle into more number of equal parts. If as much number of the you are dividing, you will get more accurate shape of the development. So I am dividing the circle into 12 pieces. So that means each piece is on an angle of 30 degree. Name it as A, B, C, etc. up to L. And in the front view, I draw a triangle, mark it as A dash, B dash, etc. up to L dash, O dash, P dash, and I'm marking all the dimensions 120 and 5 120. Now you have to drill a hole. So along the axis, you take a distance of 40 mm from the base. Considering it as a center, you draw a square as shown, which is equally inclined to the XY line, equally inclined to HP. You draw a square as shown. Now in the next step, when you draw a square, when you draw such a square, it will meet at different points, different cutting points. You will get. You mark all the cutting points as. I'm marking the cutting points as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, cutting point 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, and 8 dash. This is the cutting point in the front face. Similarly, in the back face also you have another cutting points. Okay, so I am marking the same as 1 2 3 etc. up to 8. Now you know that all the cutting points are not along the true length. So you have to, in order to get the actual measurement, you have to extend the cutting points towards the true length. Here the true length is, one is OA, O dash, A dash, or O dash, G dash. So I am extending all the cutting points to O dash, G dash, marking it as 1 double dash, 2 double dash, 8 double dash, 3 double dash, 7 double dash, 4 double dash, 6 double dash, 5 double dash, etc. Now you have to develop the cone. You are very much familiar with the development of the cone. You develop the cone as you develop the cone. First you have to find the angle theta. Theta is equal to 360 into OG divided by O dash G dash. nothing but you're getting a 161 degree. So you develop the cone with that particular angle. Now you divide the cone into 12 equal parts. You measure the distance of an arc and mark it and cut it along, or you divide the total angle into 12. So you will get the development as shown in figure. Now what is the next step? Next step is you have to mark each and every cutting points along the each and every slant edges like OA, OB, OC, etc. So in the next step, I measure each and every cutting points from, for example, one double dash. One double dash is the point along OD. So OD and also OJ. So I measure the distance from the point O dash to one double dash and mark it along OD and OJ. Similarly, I measure the distance from O double dash to 2 double dash, A double dash and mark it along correspondingly OE and OI for 2 and OC and OK for 8. Similarly, you find all the cutting, measure all the distance to all the cutting points and mark it along the corresponding generators. So you will get the points like this. Now in the next step, you join it with a smooth hand. Because since it is a cone, you cannot use, you don't use straight lines. You just join from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like using freehand sketching. So this is the final solution of the problem. Thank you.